Hi guys, getting ready. Getting ready for a shoot. No, it's okay. It's manageable. It's work. It's okay. Let it be heavy. It needs to look good. Open your eyes. कितना time होगा?
To finish?
Yeah. You need to कर डालो full base कर डालो इसके लिए जपो ना कुछ. अरुण को फोन करना इनाली वेटिंग में है बोलो आई शैडो का कराने के लिए. अरुण का नंबर है ना? हाँ अभी भेजा ना व्हाट्सएप में मैंने आपको. हाय मालिका जिगर भेजा ना बेटे. फोन करो फोन करो.
हेलो
वेटिंग वेटिंग. कुछ बाल खींच रहा है यहाँ पे. हेलो ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸುರಾಯನ್ ಜಿ?
ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಮ್ಮ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಖ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಒಂದು ಬರೀ ಲೈಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ನ್ಯೂಡ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬವ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂಯಿನೆಸ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲೈಟ್ ಶೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಲೈನರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಲೈನರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಐಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಲ್ಯಾಶಸ್ ಕರ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಲ್ಯಾಶಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
यहाँ आपको ट्रेन करते हैं कैसे करना. मेरे पीछे. Good. How are you? I'm not going to reply to every comment because I'm getting ready. यहाँ पे जो भी अगर कुछ notorious comment है तो comment पे ऐसे हाथ लगाना ऐसे नाम पे और किक आउट करने का ऑप्शन आता है. ऐसे जूम करो जब वो मेकअप कर रहे हैं ना, ऐसे आंखों के पास में आओ, फिर ऐसे पीछे आओ, फिर उनको दिखाओ. ऐसा होना चाहिए, आप समझे? हाँ ताकि और बाद में पैलेट अगर दिखाना तो पैलेट के एकदम पास में आओ. मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स सभी दिखाओ एक एक करके, क्योंकि सबको बहुत पसंद है क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं देखना. ओके ಶೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಿತಿನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಹಂಗೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಶೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಮುಸಾಡಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅನ್ಫಾಲೋ ಮೀ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಐ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟು ಯು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಆಮಿರ್. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಏನೋ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಬಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. Okay, one sec. So stay tuned. The makeup is going on. You can sit and watch. How much more time?
Just going to clean off all the base. Normally makeup ಒಂಚೂರು ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ಸೀಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
जो बात कर रहे हैं ना तब जूम इन ऑप्शन है शायद जूम इन जब ऐसे कुछ चल रहा है जूम इन करो नहीं तो जूम आउट करो. जो हाथ का मूवमेंट चल रहा है तो हाथ पे होना चाहिए. मुंह बात कर रहे हैं तो उनके फेस पे होना चाहिए. प्रोडक्ट उठा रहे हैं तो प्रोडक्ट पे होना चाहिए, नहीं तो मेरे पे होना चाहिए. ऐसा फॉलो करो, जो भी हो रहा है फॉलो करो.
ओके.
समझ गए?
हाँ हाँ मैम.
और वो लाइव जा रहा है.
Later on, I'll give you the Insta handle of this guy also. Just, the guy who sent these two outfits.
Okay. Chandan's already been mentioned in the handle.
Chandan is mentioned, but when
You will keep mentioning. It's a process. You keep
I
mentioning.
know, your attitude has like it.
ಸೊ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ರೆಪ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಟೇಕನ್ ದ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆಲ್. ಕನ್ಸೀಲರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರೈಟರ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅವನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್.
Very
Oh, wow, very pretty. The outfit is looking
And
really
the
nice.
lavender looks, no? I look.
It will look nice, yeah, once we do the lavender. It's such lovely skin, it's just blending inside, beautiful.
Yeah, keep talking.
Concealer should be slightly nice and brighter, ಒಂಚೂರು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಂಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ಈಗ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನನ್ನು ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸಮರ್ ಇದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಬಟ್ ಶೀಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ನರಿಶ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಕೀಪ್. ಆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ moisturizer ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. She has a beautiful regime already in place for sure, so that's why the skin is just gorgeous. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
हेलो. हाँ. Yeah, I finished.
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
There are-
ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್. ಹಲೋ. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಥಿನ್ ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕೋಟ್, one just very light amount of foundation, but what we're going to do is make sure that we get very good contours. She's got a lovely face which can be worked with a lot, you know, just a little bit product, but with just a little blending, everything's blending into her skin. So when we actually finish the entire foundation, it's going to look like she doesn't have too much foundation on at all. Benefits of beautiful skin. The more you blend the product into the skin, it's better. Remember, for areas that you have a slight amount, everybody has a slight amount of depth. So there you can just brighten it. One chur orange use ಮಾಡಿ bright ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
अरुण कहाँ है? अरुण कनेक्ट कर दीजिए, वो आने तक कनेक्ट भी कर दीजिए.
Just a nice, beautiful blend. And once we finish the foundation and contours and highlights, the lip will be a very pretty, glossy and fresh lip. For the contours, onchur dark shade use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Follow the line from the top of the ear towards the mouth, and it should blend away. ಕೆಲವರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹೈ ಚೀಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ. ಫೇಸ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಡೀಪರ್ ಶೇಡ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂಚೂರು ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಲಾಲೆಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
What's your Facebook handle?
Facebook is Orange Studio Academy. ZORAINS. S again STU
हुआ?
DIO.
हुआ?
Yeah, हुआ.
This look is extremely fresh, so I'm going to be
So what I've
playing
done
with
is
a
I've
lot of
pinned your
Okay, that's
handle.
nice.
You can see
Thank you.
that. It's pinned there. Come on.
Thanks.
Since the look is extremely fresh, we're going to keep it fresh. Use more pinks. So ಈ ಶೇಡ್ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಲುಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಬರೀ ಕಾಂಟೋರ್ಸ್. ಕಾಂಟೋರ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I will be using slightly more pink to get that rosiness that we have got on this side. Since it's a very dewy, very fresh look anta, we are using more cream based products. Blush annu cream alli use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Pretty very fresh face, dewy anta.
Hi Ram, I just saw you, Ram. Shooting in Bangalore. I need new content for my Insta, Facebook. I'm signing up with a new application for that. We're shooting for YouTube. There's so much content needed. So putting shoots together. इनावली फ़ोन ले लो बेटा. हो गाला ही नहीं में. हाँ. Giving the. Okay. We'll tell you once we're starting the lashes.
I'll set this and then we'll start the lashes.
Okay.
Just 2 seconds more.
We'll start the lashes. We'll tell you. Lashes separately. We'll make one. So we finished eyes. Gotaitalla. Adu finish ಆಯ್ತು. Then now we'll do the lashes and then we'll do the lipstick. Yeah. हाँ. Complete. हाँ. First look ಅಂತ. हाँ. So 4 videos ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. हाँ. 4 separate videos are.
I'm just finishing off with a little bit of highlight and then we'll set this with powder. Sanjana, you do a lot of skincare for yourself, right?
I use oils, yeah. I use a lot of
Skin's
oils.
looking so beautiful.
I use a lot of oils on my face. I dump moisturizer on my face.
That is something I don't think a lot of people do, you know, because see, with the amount of makeup that like sometimes you have to wear for shoots, for films, skincare is one of the most important thing, and that's how even after everything, see how beautiful her skin is. It doesn't need too much product, doesn't need too much work. All credit to the fabulous skincare that Sanjana is doing right for herself. So I guess all her followers definitely follow that advice from her. Do an amazing thing. She uses oils.
I use almost quarter bottle of the moisturizer every time. I'm greedy for moisturizer, so that has kept me going.
What do you think about the makeup?
It's come out
Sanjana?
very well.
Nice?
Yeah.
Since it's a dewy look, so we're still gonna I'm not setting it with like a very matte powder. I'm setting it with more like a powder that has a slight sheen in it. It's called the mineralized powder. It's MAC does some very fabulous mineralized powders. The best part about them is very lightweight, and they add a sheen and they're mineral. So a lot of the makeup nowadays is going more organic, more being a little more friendly to the skin, less
Like
less chemicals, more baked, beautiful.
flip ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದೆ
इनावली उनका कैमरा वो ऑब्जर्व करो, आ जाओ उनके पीछे आ जाओ, क्योंकि आगे चल के तुमको ही करना है.
Setting around the eyes is most important because that's the area that moves the most. But there again, just keeping it very, very light. Beautiful. Now let's get to your.
You get to it?
Yeah,
Start
let's do the lashes.
Lashes come और प्रोफेशनल कैमरा इधर देखो, जब वो बात कर रहे हैं इधर फ्रेम में नहीं आना है उनके लिए, उनके कैमरा फ्रेम में नहीं आना है. बट तुम्हारा ये क्या है, अभी ऐसे जाओगे तो फिर ये ज़्यादा दिखेंगे, और ये मतलब अगर जब प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करें तो प्रोडक्ट पे ऐसे जाके दिखाना है, तो ऐसे जूम आउट करना है. और जब मेरे फेस के एकदम पास भी आके दिखा सकते हैं, ठीक है, कि लोगों को फिनिशिंग तभी दिखेगा. तो थोड़ा सा बॉडी भी मूव करो, सिर्फ कैमरा नहीं, ठीक है. बट तुम ज़्यादा कैमरा ही मूव करना अभी, क्योंकि वो शूट कर रहा है. बॉडी फ्रेम के अंदर आओगी तो इसमें आ जाओगी. Already happened. Already mattered.
Video on it, couple standing.
ಇದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೀಳದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. the dress up like in the photo here?
Today, most of the food is what is done. Then we take one
Yeah.
with the brush.
Ready, Arun?
Madam, flip over.
It's a
One second.
So I'll give the introduction and then I'll pass it on to you. Okay, and when we're done with lashes, we'll just stop with you. Yes.
One second. Single introduction.
Can we do the lips first?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Holding
Okay.
it.
Yeah, lips.
Akkom.
In the lips.
One second, let me just put a little moisture and take it off and then.
Okay, wait. This also you can help. Okay.
One second.
Ready? Your camera?
Camera. This one for close. Madam, you should come back.
Ah.
Ready?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
Close it, close it.
ಬೇಕೇ
ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್
ಬೇಕು
ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಮೊದಲಿನ ಫ್ರೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ,
ಬೇಕು.
ಒನ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಡಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
Close it. 3, 2.
ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ತುಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಟಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಬರೀ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತುಟಿ ಸಂಜಿನ ತುಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಓಕೆ
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹಾಂ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Last.
ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಪೂರಾ ಎಡಿಟ್ करके
ಹಾಂ.
I'm just taking. That will help. That will help a lot.
yeah ready
Yeah.
Ready?
so you can also show the product before you start like that on the camera you can show the product and then zoom out so that people know what you're using okay ready
Ready? Yeah, rolling.
Hi, so now what we're going to do is we've got beautiful eyes on, but what is really important is to supplement it with a fabulous lip. Now the look that we're going for is very dewy, so remember the most important thing when you're doing a lip is to moisturize and hydrate the lip. Anything in makeup is all about hydration, hydration and hydration. So whether you do skin, whether you do eyes, whatever, if the area is too dry, it will crack up and so will the lips. So normally when we tend to do a lot of the foundation, we tend to have a little bit of the remnants come onto the lips. In Sanjana's case, we don't require any camouflage. She's got beautifully nice pink lips, which we do want to obviously replicate and substitute. So I put in a good amount of lip balm inside. This is something that you can do right in the beginning as well. And you can even continue to add on a little bit more when you are just about going to start. So now, remember if I leave this on, this could cause the lipstick to slip. So I'm going to take it off a bit. It's got nice and plump. Remember, moisturize right in the beginning when you start. And I'm actually going to be working with 3 different shades of lip pencils just to give her like a very ombre feel but a very natural to the lip feel. So when you notice a lip, you'll always see there's a little darker edge, there's a little more pink somewhere, there's a little, so it's about mimicking exactly what you see. So I've started with a pencil that's called Spice. It's one of the most favorite and famous pencils in MAC. I do love the MAC pencils a lot because they are water resistant, stay on for a very long time. What I love doing is actually getting that cupid bow right. Now, when you're going to do a nice nude lip, remember it has to look natural but yet well done. So just mimicking it. If you notice, see, this is a beautiful mimic, but it's just a little more browner than the pink that is there in her lip. But I'm going to use this as a base to create a great base first, and I will fill this in a little bit more with pink so I get a nice lift. Now if you notice, it is also nice to complement what you've done on the eyes. So the eyes are done with very soft shades of pink, and I am going to mimic that again with a pink dish pencil. This one is called Saw. It's my personal favorite. I love the way it looks. It's just nice, fresh. Remember, camera lights do blend out a lot of what you see on the lip. The color will go down. So I am going to, when I move to lipsticks, get this a little more subtle and pretty. Now lips always have a dimension to them, and for that dimension we need something that's slightly deeper. So I'm going to create the dimension with a color called Plum, again in the series of pink. Okay, so it's just going to be a very mild hint of definition. So if you see, just that very light definition which gives that Cupid bow its preciseness. And on the bottom of the lid, since this is a dewy sort of a look and makeup, we are going to keep the lips looking quite wet and pretty. What's nice to use is the side or the corner of the brush, the pencil, because that fills in these edges beautifully to give you a fabulous ombre feel without getting too much product on. I'm going to repeat that on the other side as well. Just place it and it will roll along the lip, so it just makes it more easier to get into the spaces. While doing lips, one of the biggest areas that we do forget is this inside area, and when the person is talking, then you see like a gap which doesn't really look very nice. Just once the lip is slightly relaxed, now is the time you can enhance. So I want to just enhance very little on the corners, so I'm just going ever so slightly a little bit up. Okay, and now this is my base. Okay, what I will do is use a nice lip brush, something that's quite flat. So if you look at the brush, it's like a nice flat little brush which can now blend these colors in beautifully well. Now remember, we are mimicking a nude natural lip, so even the lip, the original lip has gradations, and that's exactly what you want to bring into the lip. When you get it too one-toned, it tends to get very how do I put it, very flat and absolutely no dimension. Right now, to bring in that slight nudeness, I am using the color which is very nude, tapping it towards the inside. Now what this does is also makes the lip look much more fuller. So when you do want fuller lips, it's important that you do have a nice framework, but the center gets nice and light, and this will look absolutely fresh and beautiful. So it should look like lip, but obviously a little bit more color than what we normally do. The lighter the shade in the center, the more beautiful the pout. She's got beautiful lips, nice and full already, but who doesn't like a bigger pout? Everyone. So just get that little more poutier side in, and it gets you a beautiful dimension. Now a lot of times what we do is add gloss to get that shine. Before I can add gloss, I'm going to just now correct and even out anything that I can see around the lip. Remember, when doing the lip, sometimes the pencil does tend to come out. Even if it doesn't, it just creates like a slight edgy feel. So what I am going to do is actually now clean out these edges. Two great advantages is the fact that, number one, this will help a bigger pout on the lip, and the second thing is it makes it look beautifully clean and neat. If you notice now, I'm using the foundation shade that is quite close to the skin, not very light, not very dark. To bring out a lip, we've always learned, remember, keep it quite clean and like a nice shade inside. Just crisp enough on the edges. And to bring out the lip further, don't forget that slight contour just underneath here to add that pop. Try not to overuse product because sometimes then it gets difficult to blend. While shooting, most often than not, you do tend to sweat. So for us then we need to make sure that it's really well set with powder to maintain these just beautifully gorgeous lips. A good trick is also to sometimes just ask them to put the lip slightly inward. So slightly inward, and then you will see where you want to recorrect anything. So again, that preciseness on the bottom is really important. I'm going to go back with that deepest color that we had, that's the plum. This time around I'm taking it more on the brush. You can actually take off the lipstick because that will make it very moist. I'm now going to take it from there and just work around evening this from the bottom. Yep, and then we can just put a little bit of a nice gloss on it to create that beautiful you could use something that has a mild sheen or shimmer if you want a bit of color, and that's a beautiful lip.
Awesome. Thank you, Surai.
ಈಗೊಂದು ಲುಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಇಲ್ಲ lashes ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Lashes first.
Huh?
Now all you will do lashes.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್
ಹಾ,
ನಾನ್ ಮೇಕಪ್
dress ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಅದೇ ಹಾಂ
dress ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು.
ನಾನ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಕಪ್
ಸಿಕ್ತು 4-5 ದಿವಸ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
2 days
2 days.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್
No
Ah,
problem.
yes, everyone.
How many people are there? Are people hooked on? Are people watching? Hi, we're just getting ready to shoot. I might just not reply to your messages, but yeah. और यहाँ पे आओ, कमेंट्स पे थोड़ा सा हमेशा गौर रखना. ऐसे ऐसे लंबा पकड़ोगे ना, कमेंट डिलीट कर सकते हो. कोई किस यू, मिस यू, लव यू, हग यू सब लिखा तो देखो ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ा, इसको डिलीट किया. तो थोड़ा सा उस पर रहने दो, कमेंट्स पे ध्यान. ओके, थोड़ा सा कमेंट पे ध्यान. शूट मारता है दीदी, शूट. ओके. और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, लोग तभी कनेक्ट करेंगे जब क्लोज़अप होगा. क्लोज़अप नहीं है, जनरल वीडियो है, तो लोग कनेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. तो जूम इन जूम आउट करते रहना. और कमेंट पे ध्यान रखना. प्रोडक्ट्स पे, कमेंट्स पे कम ध्यान भी दोगे तो चलेगा, बट प्रोडक्ट्स पे और जो बात कर रहा है और जो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, ये 3 चीज़ पे जाते आते रहना चाहिए. प्रोडक्ट ये में, प्रोडक्ट ये में, प्रोडक्ट पे कम, ये मैं और क्लोजअप जाते रहना चाहिए. और बीच में अचानक से थोड़ा पीछे चले जाना है. पैर के साथ भी आगे बढ़ते हो, बट फ्रेम में नहीं आना. बस डन. मेरी the lashes. I feel I should come off for Tanishani, but I was thinking of Ramzan and everything.
You have to take me top up.
I know, but still, so too much effort. Put them remove. So today you won't feel like a new movie. Then Ramzan.
ಯಾ
So you're introducing?
Yeah, I'll introduce him. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm here and we're shooting a wonderful vlog about how to do your eye makeup, okay? And I have Zorayan with me here from
Hi.
Zorayan Makeup Studio and Academy. She's a well-versed trainer, she's an award-winning makeup artist, and she's an achiever, and I'm very happy to have you here, Zorayan.
Thank you so much.
So we will quickly do this and just stay tuned with us as this is just an eyelash tutorial. How to fix your eyelashes, how to make your real eyelashes really voluptuous. Let's go.
Hi everybody. So Sanjana's eyes are really, really beautiful. So when you're doing lashes, I think the first and foremost thing that you need to understand is the eye shape of the eye. Now a lot of people get a lot of kind of lashes. You can get lashes that are more short and long in the center. So remember, a lash that is shorter on the sides, longer on the center will tend to make your eye look bigger.
Okay, one second. Hold on. Continue.
Continue.
One second.